Today, I'll walk you through how to get Google Calendar on your PC, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to access Google Calendar directly from your desktop so you can manage your schedule more efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. You can do this by typing Google Calendar into your search engine or going directly to the website. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. This is where you'll manage all your events and appointments. Now look to the top right corner of your browser. Here you will find the Chrome menu. Click on this menu icon, which typically looks like three vertical dots. This menu is your gateway to various browser options. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, as updates can change the layout. Next, hover over the options that say Cast, Save, and Share. This will reveal a drop-down menu with additional choices. It's like opening a toolbox. Each option is a tool that can help you customize your browsing experience. From this drop-down, click on Install Page as App. This option allows you to create a shortcut for Google Calendar on your desktop, making it easily accessible. Think of it as putting a frequently used tool right at your fingertips. After selecting Install Page as App, a prompt will appear. Just click on the Install button. This step is straightforward, and it should only take a moment. It's totally normal if this takes a moment, so don't rush. And there you have it. Google Calendar is now installed as an app on your PC. You can find it in your applications or on your desktop, ready for you to use. This setup allows you to access your calendar quickly without needing to open a browser each time. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.